I've been using Novaglow SPF 50 Plus lately, and it feels really lightweight while blending in nicely. I love how easy it is to apply before heading out to. If you're looking for a simple everyday sunscreen, it's worth checking out.
Just a few years ago, creating UGC ads like these wasn't easy. You had to plan the entire campaign, hire a model, arrange cameras, lighting, find the perfect shooting location, and spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars just to produce a single advertisement. But today, AI has completely changed the game. With just a few prompts and Google Gemini Omni, you can create stunning AI influencers, make them promote virtually any product, and generate realistic talking UGC ads, all within just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow I personally use, and I'll also share all the prompts so you can create unlimited AI UGC ads for almost any product. So, let's get started. The very first thing we need to create an ad is a product. And to showcase that product, we also need a model. For today's tutorial, let's assume we already have our product images ready. Now our job is to generate an influencer image that is naturally promoting that product. I'm going to generate these images using ChatGPT, but if you prefer, you can also use Nano Banana too. So, I've already opened a new chat. Now, I'll click on the plus icon and upload my first product image. Let's start with these earbuds. Now, we need a prompt that can generate a realistic influencer image with our uploaded product. I asked ChatGPT to create a universal master prompt that works for almost any type of influencer image. The only thing you'll need to do is make a few small adjustments based on your own requirements. For example, here under gender, you can choose either male or female. For this demonstration, I'll keep it female. You can also change the age. Let's make it 23. Next comes nationality. It's currently set to Indian. I'll change it to American. Of course, you can choose any nationality you like. Indian, American, Japanese, Australian, Arabian, whatever best suits your project. Then we have skin tone, facial look, outfit. You can customize all of these if you want. For now, I'll leave them exactly as they are. Next comes the environment. Depending on your product, you can choose either indoor or outdoor. For these earbuds, an indoor setup makes more sense. Then we have the camera angle. And now comes one of the most important sections, product action. Here, you'll describe what your influencer is doing with the product. For example, are they simply holding the product? Are they wearing it? Or are they applying it? Whatever interaction you want your influencer to perform, you'll mention it right here. Next, we have expressions and mood. These are a few more settings that you can customize according to your preference. Everything else in the prompt stays exactly the same, no matter which product or influencer you're creating. Now, simply copy the entire prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and generate the image. Look at that, the image turned out beautifully. The product remains exactly the same, and the model looks exactly the way we described in our prompt. If you want, you can even change the image aspect ratio. I'll convert mine to 9:16. As we generate each image, make sure to download and save it. Now, let's create another example. This time, we'll use a sunscreen product. We'll make a few small changes in the prompt. Let's change the nationality to Australian. Skin tone, light tan. Hairstyle, loose wavy hair. Outfit, white summer top. Environment, outdoor. Location, sunny beach. Lighting, golden hour natural sunlight. After making these small adjustments, simply paste the prompt and press enter. There we go. I hope you now understand how easy it is to customize this master prompt. I'll share the prompt with you. Just check the description and the pinned comment. Now, using the exact same workflow, I'll generate a few more influencer images. Here's another example. This time, I simply changed the gender from male to female, and the exact same product was instantly recreated with a completely different influencer. Now that our images are ready, it's time to turn them into videos. Actually, not just videos. We're going to create a complete AI UGC advertisement in a single shot. And today's hero tool for this is Google Flow with the Omni Flash model. So let's head over to Google Flow. Click on New Project. Then click Get Started. Now click the plus icon, select Upload Media, and upload your influencer image. Once it's uploaded, don't forget to click Add to Prompt. Now over here in the settings, make sure video is selected. Choose your preferred aspect ratio. For advertisements, I personally recommend 9:16. Next, under Model, make sure you select Omni Flash. Don't select any other model. Now look here, 1, 2, 3. This is where you choose how many videos you want to generate. My recommendation is to keep it at 1. Otherwise, you'll simply waste your credits. I can assure you, with the prompt we're about to use, a single generation is usually enough to get an excellent result. Next comes the video duration. You can choose 6 seconds, 8 seconds, or even 10 seconds. This depends entirely on the length of your dialogue. For now, let's leave it as it is. Now let's move on to our video master prompt. Just like the image master prompt, this is also a universal prompt that works for almost any type of advertisement. You'll only need to customize two things. The first one is product action. Here, you'll describe what your model is doing with the product during the video. For example, I've written apply a small amount of sunscreen to the cheek while naturally showing the product label to the camera. You'll simply replace this according to your own product. The second thing you'll customize is the dialogue. This is where you'll insert whatever you want your influencer to say about your product. You can either write your own dialogue or you can let AI generate it for you. I've also created a dialogue generator prompt. Simply copy this prompt, go back to the same ChatGPT conversation where we generated the influencer image. Upload your influencer image, paste the prompt and press enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will analyze the image and automatically generate a natural UGC dialogue based on it. If you like the dialogue, simply copy it and paste it into the dialogue section of the video master prompt. Now copy the complete video prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Since our dialogue is a little longer, I'll change the video duration to 10 seconds, so the model has enough time to finish speaking naturally. Now, click Run. And there you go. Look at that. The video turned out incredibly realistic and cinematic.
I've been using NovaGlow SPF 50 Plus lately, and it feels really lightweight while blending in nicely. I love how easy you're looking for a simple everyday sunscreen. It's worth checking out.
The product remains exactly the same. The influencer is exactly the same person. The facial expressions look completely natural. The dialogue is perfectly lip-synced. There's no need for a separate voiceover and no need for manual lip syncing. Everything is generated automatically. Using this exact workflow, you can create UGC ads for virtually any product. Simply make a few small changes to the prompt and you're ready to create another ad. Here's another example.
I've been reaching for Nova Rush before my workouts, and it's become part of my routine. I like the crisp taste, and it's easy to carry wherever I go. If you want a convenient drink for busy days, give it a try.
At first I was wondering, why is the model applying cream to his face at the end of the video? Then I realized, I forgot to update the product action in the prompt. It was still using the sunscreen action. That's exactly why the model started applying sunscreen to his face. So make sure you always update the product action according to your product.
I've been carrying it, and it's super comfortable on the go. It fits everything I need without feeling bulky. If you need a reliable backpack, check it out.
Now, let me show you another way to create AI UGC ads. Let's say you already have a product image and a separate model image. Instead of generating an influencer with the product first, you can simply upload both images together and generate a complete advertisement directly. For this method, the prompt is completely different. The previous prompt won't work here. Instead, we'll use a special prompt designed specifically for combining two reference images. One important thing, this prompt is not included in the Word document. If you'd like me to share it, just let me know in the comments and I'll share it with you.
Zevaria Diamonds. Crafted to celebrate the brilliance in you.
Take a look at this. The model is wearing the exact same necklace from the uploaded product image. This is one of the biggest strengths of Google Gemini Omni. It can combine multiple reference images with incredible accuracy and turn them into a realistic talking advertisement. And that's how easily you can create professional AI UGC ads for almost any product. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to learn how to create AI cartoon videos with consistent characters using Google Gemini Omni, let me know by commenting Omni Part 2. If enough people are interested, I'll make that tutorial very soon. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like the video, and if you're enjoying this content, hit the hype button as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.